Alright guys, it's track day today, and guess what I did? I washed it. Can you believe it? I don't normally wash cars that much, but I did wash Krusty. I figured if it was going to make its first appearance at our new track, that I should probably wash it off a little bit. It was pretty dirty from sitting outside and sitting in the shop. But today's the day. We're taking her to the track. So let me get off. Got a few more things to do. We're busy doing other stuff, and we'll get it loaded up, and it'll be time to go. Pull some gears. So, all right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Ooh, that looks good. So nice. All right, guys, it's loud. I'm running behind. The interstate was freaking nuts. So, but we're on our way. We're in Krusty. We're headed to the track. So we got our junk loaded. We're gonna go up there and maybe drive home on our own power. I sure hope we do. All right, we'll see you there. Well, guys, we're here. You'd think a big, high-profile YouTube guy like me would have an electric impact, and actually, I do have one. Just the damn battery's dead in it. Both batteries, and I keep forgetting to buy some. So this is what I ended up doing. But anyway, we were running late, but we're here. So let me finish this. You guys get a Coke. We'll be on track in a minute. Video either, so we have no idea what it looks like, just what it feels like. I feel like it porpoised a little bit. We just got done painting this one. .714, 152 with a 6, 714 at 95.6. So that's pretty good. We're gonna make one more hit. Fire up. flat, so it's probably going to be a 17 of some kind. Felt pretty good though. We may make one more just because it's stupid like that. Thanks, sir. Damn. 712 flat at 95 point something. Pull it one more time. Famous last words, right? Second on the one like a retard, but we're driving home on our own power, so we'll call that a victory. Besides the second gear miss, everything was in the teens, so we'll take that. That's pretty good for us. We can live with it, but we had a lot of fun driving it. That's the best part. It was a lot of fun. So anyway, we'll do the blah 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 and that'll be it. We're out. Alright, it's blah 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 time from the Krusty 456 gear track day. A little quick history. We had got Krusty put together last year. We took it to the track and ran some 730s. This was in the summertime around June or whatever, so pretty close to where we're at now. We bought a new set of tires, the stiff wall Mickeys. We took it up to the track in, I believe it was November. The weather was really good. It went some 17s. It also went hard right quite a bit there at the end of the night. And we had some suspension issues that we have since rectified. Before we get to the time slips, I'd like to touch on just a couple little things that we got straightened out. We got the suspension adjusted. Our football, man, it was a touchdown. It worked really well. It cost us $0. That's always the best kind. The car porpoised a little bit. We didn't have any outside video, so we can't see what it did, but the car did go straight all night, and that was a welcome thing. And the few times it pulled the wheels, it was pretty level, so that was good. It's real easy to drive. Another thing is our junkyard T5 that's in this car, V6 T5, man, killing it. All you guys that bash on T5s on the internet about how they suck and they're weak and this and that, shame on you. Another thing is, like I say, this car is a piece of crap, but it was a lot of fun to drive. I love driving it. It's just great. We have a blast every time that we're in it. And I think running the teams with the 456, the car really felt a lot better in second, third. I think if the weather is perfect in the fall, winter time for us, there we go. Live by the airport, get airplanes. That when winter fall gets here, if the track is good and the driving's good and the weather is good, we have a shot at a 699. Now, having said that, this thing will 7-0 me to death just to make me look like a moron. But I think we have a chance at a 699 without changing anything else on it. So I was pretty happy with that. I was also pretty happy with the consistency of the car. So Anyway, let's go look at the time slips real quick and get this junk wrapped up. All right, we got to the track. We were running behind, but so were they. They were having a few technical problems, and it helped us get the car cooled down a little bit. Our very first pass, we were in the money. 152, a 914 at 95.6. We were pretty happy with that. We hot lapped it and just decided to try the right lane. The clutch got it a little bit. I didn't leave quite hard enough, and that probably knocked a hundredth or two off. So, but you know, still we were happy with that. Then we let it rest for a minute, came around, and 60 foot was good. Didn't really show up on the time slip. 716 at 95.1. Then we pulled it back around, let it rest for a second. And as we were being bragged on about our driving ability, we went ahead and went up there and showed them that they don't know anything about us. We went ahead and screwed the pooch, missed second, and pulled right back around in staging for our redemption run. This is the one that I forgot to turn the camera on. 148, 713 at 95. It hooked good. That was a nice feeling run. We went and let it rest for a minute. It was really crowded. So we went and let it rest, and then it reeled this off. We were pretty happy with that. That was probably our best run of the night, just from the way everything went, shifting and everything like that. Then we just brought it around and hot lapped it, and we got that. So we were pretty happy with all the runs. The humidity picked up as the night went on. That probably hurt the mile an hour a little bit, but still, we're not complaining. We're thinking when it gets cold, we'll be able to do a little something. So anyway, that's it. That's our time slips. Now let's finish up the blah, blah, blah. Okay, guys, and there you have it. We've seen the slips. We've seen everything that's, been happening. So again, I'd just like to take a quick moment to thank everybody for watching, commenting, subscribing, even the people that leave the dirty pickles. It's good to be critical. So we take it and look at it and review ourselves. And how can we do better? No, actually, we don't do any of that. We just kind of keep making the same kind of videos. But we appreciate everybody watching and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. So it's motivation. I use it as motivation to work on this garbage. And while the videos aren't that great, we still have a good time doing it. So anyway, all right. Well, till next time, you guys get out, work on your stuff, get to racing. We'll see you guys at the track. We're out.